Meet your new cleaning partner. Robot vacuum cleaners tackle dust, dirt, and pet hair while you relax. They glide under furniture, reach every corner, and some even connect to apps or Alexa for total hands-free control. Ideal for apartments or busy family homes, these smart gadgets save time and keep your floors spotless every single day. Subscribe to Gadget Nest for more smart gadgets and honest reviews. All product links and Amazon deals are in the description. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Eufy C10 Robot Vacuum. The Eufy C10 Robot Vacuum takes the hassle out of cleaning with its self-emptying feature that lasts up to 8 weeks, giving you true hands-free convenience. With a slim 2.85-inch profile, it glides easily under couches, beds, and tight spaces where dust usually hides. Its advanced LiDAR navigation ensures precise mapping of your home, allowing the vacuum to follow efficient cleaning paths and avoid obstacles. The powerful suction, combined with an edge expansion brush, lifts dirt, pet hair, and debris from both hard floors and carpets. This vacuum is particularly ideal for pet owners as it handles fur with ease while maintaining quiet operation. Its sleek design in black adds a modern touch to your home appliances. If you want reliable cleaning that fits into your daily life without constant maintenance, the Eufy C10 is a smart and effective choice. Number 2. Shark Navigator Robot Vacuum. The Shark Navigator Robot Vacuum combines strong suction power with the convenience of a 30-day bagless self-empty base. This means you won't have to empty it often, saving time and effort. Designed to handle both carpets and hard floors, it cleans efficiently thanks to its Smart Path navigation system. The self-cleaning brush roll keeps hair from tangling, making it ideal for homes with pets. Its compact design in sleek white blends nicely into any room, while the powerful suction easily picks up dirt, crumbs, and pet hair. The vacuum adapts to your home layout, covering every area without missing spots. Quiet operation lets you run it any time of day. The Shark Navigator is perfect for busy households that want low-maintenance cleaning with consistent results. Its ability to hold a month's worth of dirt in its base makes it one of the most convenient robot vacuums available today.
Number 3. Bugatti Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Bugatti Robot Vacuum and Mop offers powerful cleaning with 5,000 PA suction while doubling as a mop for extra convenience. It features LiDAR navigation to create precise home maps, ensuring efficient and complete coverage. With its self-emptying system, this vacuum can run up to 60 days without intervention, making it highly hands-free. The ability to set no-go zones means you can protect sensitive areas or rooms from being cleaned. It's also Wi-Fi compatible and works with Alexa voice control, allowing you to start, stop, or schedule cleanings with ease. Designed in white, it's compact but powerful enough to handle pet hair, hard floors, and carpets. The strong suction guarantees deep cleaning, while the mop feature adds extra shine to your floors. For anyone looking for a versatile robotic vacuum that saves both time and effort, the Bugatti Robot Vacuum and Mop is a reliable choice. Number 4. Eureka E20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Eureka E20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo brings incredible power with 8,000 PA suction to handle tough dirt, dust, and pet hair. It comes with a self-emptying station that holds debris for up to 45 days, reducing the need for frequent emptying. A standout feature is the anti-hair tangling brush, which minimizes maintenance and keeps cleaning smooth and consistent. Equipped with LiDAR navigation, this vacuum maps your home intelligently and moves around furniture with ease. The added mop function makes it a true two-in-one cleaner, perfect for homes that need both vacuuming and mopping on a regular basis. The black finish gives it a modern, professional look. Control everything through the easy-to-use app, from scheduling to adjusting cleaning modes. The Eureka E20 Plus is ideal for families and pet owners looking for a reliable, high-powered cleaning solution that simplifies household chores. Number 5. iMartine Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The iMartine Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a slim yet powerful device that makes daily cleaning simple. With its dual function, it vacuums and mops simultaneously, saving time and effort. Strong suction picks up dust, crumbs, and pet hair effectively on hard floors and low-pile carpets. The built-in water tank ensures smooth mopping, leaving floors fresh and spotless. You can control and schedule cleanings easily through the mobile app or Wi-Fi connection, making it convenient to operate even when away from home. Its quiet operation means it won't disturb your family while running. Slim at only 2.87 inches tall, it slips under furniture with ease. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its charging dock. With its smart design, reliable suction, and mop function, the iMartine Combo Robot is a great addition for anyone wanting efficient everyday cleaning. Number 6. Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is built for convenience with voice control compatibility, allowing you to start cleaning hands-free. Featuring Matrix Clean navigation, it maps your home accurately and covers each area with precision. The XL self-empty base has a 60-day dirt capacity, making it highly practical for busy households. This vacuum is excellent for homes with pets, as it handles hair and dust effectively on both carpets and hard floors. Its cool gray finish gives it a modern, stylish look that blends well with any decor. Quiet yet powerful, the Shark AI Ultra is designed for efficient, everyday cleaning. It avoids obstacles intelligently and delivers a deep clean every time. Whether you need regular upkeep or intensive cleaning sessions, this robot adapts to your needs while saving you effort. With strong suction, smart mapping, and voice control, it's a true game changer.
Number 7. iLife V2 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The iLife V2 Robot Vacuum Cleaner offers a practical solution for daily floor care with its tangle-free suction and slim design. Running up to 120 minutes on a single charge, it's capable of covering larger spaces in one go. At just under 3 inches tall, it easily slips under beds, sofas, and furniture to clean hidden dust. Its self-charging ability means it returns automatically to the dock when the battery is low, so it's always ready for the next cycle. This vacuum is especially effective at handling pet hair, thanks to its tangle-free suction that prevents clogs and interruptions. Lightweight and easy to use, the iLife V2 is perfect for households with hard floors and pets. It keeps your living space consistently clean without requiring constant attention. Reliable and efficient, this vacuum is a smart choice for anyone looking to save time on housework. Number 8. Shark AV2501AE AI Robot Vacuum. The Shark AV2501AE AI Robot Vacuum delivers smart and powerful cleaning with advanced LiDAR navigation. It creates precise maps of your home to cover every corner without missing spots. Its XL HEPA self-empty base holds up to 60 days of dirt, reducing the need for frequent emptying. Designed for homes with pets, it removes hair, dust, and allergens from both carpets and hard floors. Compatible with Alexa and Wi-Fi, you can control it hands-free with simple voice commands. The bagless design is eco-friendly and saves on extra costs. Its powerful suction tackles everyday messes while running quietly, making it perfect for busy households. With reliable performance, this vacuum keeps your floors fresh and clean without constant attention.
Number 9. Tycom Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Tycom Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo offers deep cleaning with 5,000 PAS suction power to remove dirt, dust, and pet hair effectively. It works on both carpets and hard floors, while also mopping for extra shine. The long 150-minute runtime allows it to clean large spaces in one go. Easy app and remote control make it convenient to schedule, start, or adjust cleaning from anywhere. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to the charger for the next job. Compact and efficient, this vacuum is ideal for busy homes. With strong suction and mop features combined, it keeps floors spotless every day with minimal effort. Number 10. Prosonic Q8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Prosonic Q8 robot vacuum cleaner delivers ultra-strong 6,000 pass suction to remove stubborn dirt and pet hair from carpets and floors. Its advanced LiDAR navigation builds accurate maps with 5 real-time updates, ensuring it avoids obstacles and cleans thoroughly. With the ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously, it saves time and effort. Control it through Wi-Fi, Alexa, or the app for convenient hands-free use. Quiet performance makes it perfect for daily cleaning without disturbing your home. Long-lasting battery power covers large areas easily. The Prosonic Q8 ensures every corner of your house stays spotless with reliable, smart cleaning technology.
Number 11. Lafont M210P Robot Vacuum. The Lafont M210P robot vacuum is designed with an ultra-slim body that reaches under furniture and tight spaces easily. Its powerful suction removes pet hair, dust, and daily mess quietly, making it perfect for homes with kids and pets. A 120-minute runtime allows it to cover large areas without interruption. Equipped with Wi-Fi, app, and Alexa control, you can schedule and manage cleaning from anywhere with ease. The vacuum automatically returns to its charging base when the battery is low, ensuring it's always ready to clean. Its quiet operation keeps noise low while still delivering effective cleaning. The Lafont M210P is a simple, smart, and reliable solution for keeping your floors spotless every day. Number 12. Air Robo Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Air Robo Robot Vacuum and Mop combines strong 3,000 pass suction with a slim, compact design for thorough cleaning under furniture and hard-to-reach areas. It effectively picks up pet hair, crumbs, and dust from both hard floors and carpets. Advanced obstacle avoidance sensors prevent collisions and ensure smooth navigation around your home. With Wi-Fi, app, and voice control, cleaning becomes hands-free and easy. The self-charging feature means it automatically powers up when needed, so it's always ready to clean. Quiet performance makes it suitable for everyday use without disturbing your household. This vacuum is perfect for anyone looking for smart, reliable, and efficient cleaning technology.
Thanks for watching today's top picks from Gadget Nest. If you love discovering cool kitchen gadgets that make life easier, make sure to subscribe and stay updated. All product links and the latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss out! Got a question or want to see a specific gadget reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.